Huh, okay. While I'm messing around with this Prius induction motor pump, I thought I'd just spin you around and see what the 7-stage smart charger is doing at the moment. It's actually charging this little battery I bought back in, where are we? There we go, there it is. It's supposedly a little miniature AGM battery, and it was sitting in the garage for 2 years and it was dead flat. So I thought we'll try and revive it. It's been sitting around and going click, 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 click. Now it's doing this. So I think it's actually recharging it. So I'm going to let this one run, just see if we can revive this battery. It's only a little one, a 5 amp hour AGM, useful in generators. There's a generator I bought a couple of years ago, and now I'm figuring it's just way too heavy for me. Yeah, I've got no use for that anymore. I've got another one. It's a... Hang on, I'll unplug the charger, and I'll show you a little beauty that I bought off eBay for about $219. It's a Bohm. There we go. 42cc, 51:1 ratio mix of oil to petrol. You see, I have to do oil changes or anything, but she's only rated at I think 1.2 kilovolts, maximum 2. It's only a little baby. It's probably made in China. It's got a German name, but I think it's made in China. And it works. Single AC outlet, little on-off switch. And I actually added an hour meter. It works with a vibration. Quite interesting, that. Yeah. In the reviews, an electrical engineer actually said this unit is quite well built, and for the price, it performs really well. Nobody knows how long that engine's going to last for. Yeah, being built in China, but it's a nifty little unit. All right. Okay. Anyway, that's just a little baby generator. It's sine wave as well, pure sine wave apparently. But we'll put that under some more tests in the future. Just thought I'd update you on that one. Yeah, check that one out, Chris. It's nifty. Alright, now, getting back to this. This is a video. Right, we've exposed the 2 pins. There they are. Positive on the right, holding the inlet towards your chest. It's a positive on the right, negative on the left. We're just going to use... I sort of had to scrape around for some bits and pieces. I'm actually going to use speaker wire with the white line. Oh, where's the speaker wire? Anyway, you got that speaker wire with the negative. I'm going to use the white line as a negative because it's not drawing a huge amount of current, so we'll use that just for testing purposes. We may have to go for heavier wire down the line somewhere, but we're going to test it. So that's the inlet. That's the outlet. Okay, so I'm going to pause this or stop it. I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I'll just stop it and make another video. I'm just still learning how to post videos here, and a lot of people will agree to disagree with me with what I'm actually doing with my basic knowledge of electronics. But Chris Chris NoTap put me onto this little pump, and I'm really keen to go further with it and see if we can make it successful. And of course, in the end, I'm hoping to upload the finished product if it's successful, and we'll just see how it goes. This is like, I love electronics, just tinkering around with stuff. But our next step is, there we go, get some light on it. Those two pins there, which I use the Dremel. It's like a little mini angle grinder that just grinds away the plastic, exposes those two tinted pins, which are ready to be soldered, which I will insulate with some heat shrink. And I haven't got any Celastic handy, and it's long weekend here, so no shops are open, so I'm going to have to once again improvise, and I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to seal it. I don't know if that's a good idea, but we'll see what happens anyway. Okay, enjoy.